6 months of agony, 6 months of pain, 6 months of hard work, 6 months of burning the midnight oil, 6 months of sacrifices, 6 months of refraining from doing your bestest things, meeting your bestest people, now comes to an end. Yes, finally the exams are over. And before I move on to the next step, let me take this moment to thank all of you. Let me take this moment to tell you that you have made me proud, that you have given your best shot. And yes, whatever is the result now, whether it's a fail or a pass, I will embrace you. I will be proud of you. Your parents will be proud of you because you have given it your best shot. Now, just relax. Now, just take a deep breath. Catch up with your sleep, which you have not given yourself over a period of, say, past 6 months. Catch up with your favorite food. Catch up with your friends. Now is the time to relax. And yes, also a time to introspect. Also a time to, ask yourself what lies ahead. But not so soon, okay? Give yourself 2-3 days and follow my 3 P's for post-examination strategy. So what is the post-examination strategy? We have to now focus on the 3 P's. When the exams are over, 3 P's are: number 1, party. Yes, you deserve it. You deserve it. You've really given your best shot. You've attended all the marathons, you've attended the live sessions, you've attended your classes regularly, you've given your tests regularly. Everything has been absolutely phenomenal. You've given your best shot. You've exceeded the expectations. You have given more than what your body could really withstand. So I'm proud of you. A big clap for all of you. So yes, those of you feel that yes, we have given your best shot, please write in the comment section below, so we have given our best shot. So party, yes. Meet your best friends, meet your family members whom you might not have met for past 6 months. Go enjoy your favorite food. Ask your friends to have a stroll at the nearby mall or whatever. Do whatever you want to do for past 2 days or 3 days. Next, pray. Prayers have powers which no other thing in this world has. I'm a spiritual person and I feel that whatever I've attained in my life, partial credit goes to prayers. When you pray, when you manifest, then some divine interventions happen, and even if things are not going that correct, that much in your favor, they will start tilting towards you. It happens. So magic do happen. So pray for your good results, pray for a flourishing future, and pray that you become a CMA very, very soon. And the third P, which is a spoiler to you, and you will say, oh sir, now so early we will not be able to do this piece, so this is very early for us, sir. It will be a spoiler for you, but guys, yes, after 2-3 days, just start preparing yourself mentally. What next? What is the next milestone? What do you have to do next? What to pick up next? Because in your life there's always a next. So now what to pick up next? Of course, not today. 2-3 days, give yourself 2-3 days, 4 days, and then you think in your mind what to pick up next. What are the new milestones? What is the next level? Just think about it. Just to give you a broad picture of how should you approach, how should you think about, I've categorized all the students who have given the last examination into 4 categories. CMA intermediate students, CMA final students. CMA intermediate students, either you would have given group 1 or you would have given group 2, or you would have given both the groups together, right? There are the 2 categories of intermediate students which we can deal with right now. If you've given one of the groups and your exams are over now, my earnest recommendation is start coaching of one of the subject of the other group. For example, if you have given group 1, then you start coaching of corporate accounting and audit of group 2. Start it immediately. Start viewing the lectures, start preparing register, start preparing notes, understanding the concepts, everything. Start that, okay? Be a little light on yourself, okay? Don't study for say 8 hours a day or 6 hours a day. Start with 3 hours a day. That's it. 3 hours or 4 hours a day you start your studies with, and gradually you increase your time. So if you're given group 1, start with one of the subjects of group 2. Similarly, if you're given group 2, start with one of the subjects of group 1. That is my next to do, or the next milestone for you. If you have given both the groups, then this is a critical situation for you, because now you will be qualifying your intermediate and you will be entering your finals. So preparation for campus will, preparation for training, articleship will start now. Now I'll also categorize students into two parts. There are few category of students who know, and it's our gut feeling, guys. We know whether we are going to pass or fail, and we know that, if we have done really bad, then we obviously know that no, we are not going to pass. So if you are not going to pass and you are amongst that students who will say that, sir, no sir, my exam didn't go well, I will definitely not clear, that's 100% sure, there's no doubt about it, then you start preparation again. Please don't look forward for articleship right now. Start your preparation again. But if you are reasonably certain, say more than 60% certain that, sir, yes, we will pass because we have done our exams well, then you start looking for, how to prepare for articleship, how to get articleship sources, what are the CMA firms which are there in the country which provide articleship, what are the companies which provide articleship, and yes, my few videos which are there on my channel, I'll give the link in the description box below. They will tell you from where to do your articleship, how to start your articleship journey. All those thoughts should be hovering around in your mind right now. Now, if you're a final student and you've given your either group 3 or group 4, same recommendation to you guys, start preparing for one of the subject of the other group that you have not given. Any one of the subject, whichever you like, but practical, not theoretical. Not a theoretical subject, but a practical subject. Pick up a practical subject and start watching lectures for that practical subject of the other group. And if you are amongst this lot that you've given both the groups and you are pretty confident, more than 60% confident that yes, we are going to qualify, then guys, now the big thing in front of you is campus placement. I've done ample of videos regarding campus placement. You can find on my YouTube channel. I'll share the description link of those videos as well. Please start preparing for campus. How to prepare for campus? How have your seniors prepared for campus? What steps have been taken? A step as simple as start reading newspaper from tomorrow. English newspaper, Economic Times or Business Standard. Start reading it from tomorrow. Or I'll give you a very, a very easy tip. Start reading some self-help books. This will benefit you a lot, and this will benefit the CMA intermediate students as well. If you've given both the groups or one group, start reading some of the self-help book, whatever you like. These are my personal recommendations. Rich Dad Poor Dad, which will tell you about finances. It will teach you about what is a good financial decision, what is a bad financial decision. There's a very book on that particular aspect, must read for students of your age. Secondly, Attitude is Everything by Jeff Keller. It's a beautiful book on how our attitude determines our future, how our personality determines our future. Read on these books. And yes, campus is not easy. So whatever material is available online on campus, please start watching it. Please start referring to it and start preparing yourself mentally for the campus placement. That's what you can do in the upcoming months. And yes, with a hope and pray that you get a positive result. You tell me very soon that yes, sir, we qualified CMA intermediate and we are in CMA final now, or we'll qualify our we have qualified CMA now, we are a qualified CMA. I hope that you give me this news very soon. And if you want this news, in the comment section below, guys, please mention that yes, sir, don't write I will be a CMA, okay, write I am a CMA. Or just write I am a CMA finalist, and watch that dream of yours manifesting very soon. As soon as next 2 months, within next 2 months your dream will be manifested. So write in the message comment section below that yes, sir, I am a CMA finalist, or I've qualified group 1 or group 2, or I am a CMA now. On that positive note, I hope you will be benefited by this particular video. If you want video on any other subject, please mention in the comment section below. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.